Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in the last video, at the very end, I said that the Miata was home and it's, right there. So today, we're not really doing, a ton of stuff with the car, but we are going to clean it up, clear up the headlights a bit, clean up the interior, just overall just make it cleaner. That's what we're doing, because the car just completed another 250-mile trip back here. So yeah, can't do anything with the wheels currently. We'll just have to leave the curb rash for now. So I'll just get the pressure washer plugged in, hose connected, and then we'll be good. This is the cleanest it's ever been in my ownership, just because when we first bought it, basically there's just a whole bunch of grass kind of along the front end and down the side from when this car was just sitting there, and people were doing lawn mowing and stuff. So yeah, the Miata's cleaned up. I plan to clean up these headlights too. I think for a temporary solution, I'll go ahead and wet sand these and then put just a basic clear coat thing. But the regular clear coat, because it yellows, it's not going to be a permanent solution, but it'll make the headlights temporarily look better. But now we're moving on to the interior. I want to clean up the interior at least a little bit, because you can see it's pretty dusty from when the car was just sitting. It's fairly dusty. It's a little bit worn out. The seats a little bit dirty. I don't have anything to clean cloth stuff, but at least I can clean the dashboard and all the center console stuff here, which is, I'll be happy with that. This is how much dirt has been picked up from the dashboard. So yeah, definitely worth the clean. Definitely worth cleaning this. Now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna clear up the headlights, because they are quite a bit yellowed and stuff. Now I'm gonna do it the wrong way, which is I'm gonna just spray like paint clear coat on there, and I know all of you are gonna be screaming at me like, don't use it because that sucks and it doesn't work very well. And I totally get where you're coming from. This is only a temporary solution because I don't have buffing compound on me. But when I get it, I'm going to wet sand all the clear coat that I'm going to spray on now off. So all that's going to be gone, and then I'm going to actually buff it and do it right. But for now, I just want to kind of temporarily clear it up until I get my buffing compound. Yeah, this kind of clear coat. Not that great for headlights, but it's whatever. But you can see they are quite yellowed. So this should clear them up for a little while until they start yellowing again, because I'm using that type of clear coat. But before they yellow completely again, basically I'm just going to sand it all away and then apply buffing compound, since that's how you're actually supposed to do it. So I have to put tape around the headlight so I don't accidentally sand off paint around the fender or hood or bumper. want to show you the results of clear coating the headlights. So here we go. As you can see, they are pretty clear. Not much yellowing anymore. This one is a little bit hazed, so that probably just needs a bit more sanding, a bit more buffing. But I am going to properly buff these headlights later on. Also, I need to replace the fog lights since both of them are burned out. Although the last time I checked, only one burned out. So yeah, now we got that. So that's not an issue. We'll just be replacing those. Alright, so for this next clip, my microphone basically just had a whole bunch of static and crap. So the audio, at some points it's salvageable, but for the most part, the audio is just done for. So basically we're installing new fog lights in the Miata. We're installing new LED lights as well, so it's an upgrade from the old halogen bulbs. So let's just cut to the clip now where we take them out. Here's the old bulb. I don't know if my camera will focus or not on this, but the filament's pretty screwed up in this. So that's why it's blowing, so it doesn't work anymore, because it's not connected. It's not connected together anymore. So we are replacing these with LEDs. Yeah, LED fog lights. I just have to make sure that the connector is in fact the same, which it's not. So here's the connector for the original, and then here's the connector for the new one. I was told by Amazon that these would fit. They lied. Actually, I'm curious. I don't even know if this will fit. So it looks like we're not replacing fog lights in this video. Man, I'm a little bit annoyed, I'm gonna be honest. But oh well, it is what it is. I'm pretty sure these will fit in the Corolla though, so I might just toss them in there and see how they work. So just as a little quick experiment, I went and checked out the fog lights on the Corolla. Same connector, same little like base thing. So I'm gonna throw these LEDs into the Corolla and try them out, because I've never actually had LED lights on a car before, so I want to check them out and see how they work. But I'll keep these around because these still work just fine. Kind of sucks that these don't fit on the Miata, the car that doesn't have working fog lights. So I'll just have to look around and get the right size fog lights. But until then, I'll just throw these in the Corolla and then just move on. But yeah, I actually do want to check them out though, so I'm going to plug both of them in. So, this fog light here is LED, and this one's normal. So, we'll just compare the two. Switch on lights, switch on fog lights. Oh yeah. Now that's sick. Whereas if we look on this side, not bad, but yeah. This side for the win. So that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. And until next time, goodbye.